Hi, Miss Kaipang. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Daisyrich L. Kaipang. I am 33 years old. I live from Tacloban City, Sultan Kudarat.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 4 children. My old daughter is 16 years old. And second is 14 years old. And the third is 12 years old. And my younger daughter is 10 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We have 3 siblings, ma'am. I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and I am the second child from my family.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduated in Sultan Kudarat National High School, but I did not continue study because I was early married.
Okay. So you are a high school graduate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I was worked before in Saudi Riyadh from year 2018 to 2020. And there have 5 members and their family, 1 couple, 2 adult, and 1 children 4 years old. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, and take care of the children. And also, I have work experience here in Philippines. There are 3 family members, 1 couple, and 2 years old baby boy. I do cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and gardening, and take care of the baby boy.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. It's already finished, ma'am.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I am a loving mother. I am honest, hardworking, and cheerful mother.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to support financially my children and my family.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, we have pets inside in my house.
Okay, can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them with a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much.